I'd like to show you a mosaic that I built that shows free things to do in New York. So I've pulled together my favorite things, but what I need to do now is create an image and some text for my anchor content there. So we'll start with the image. I'm going to go to Flickr and look for New York rush hour. New York rush hour, I can get a vibrant image of New York. I'm going to make sure my filters on licensing are right, and I can select one of these images that are okay for commercial use. I actually think I like this first one. So I'm going to download the image, and that will be the anchor art for my tile that I'm working on here that shows top free things to do in New York. Okay, I want to frame it with some text though. So I'll open up Pages, get a blank document open, and drag my image in. This is the image I just got. I'll full size it here. And I want to see if I can get a little more transparency on the image because I want the text. I'm going to frame this image with some text, and I want that to pop. So let me get this. This is actually sort of the hardest thing for me is formatting this text. It can be kind of painful to watch me type here, so I apologize. But what I'm doing now is creating the headline for the ankle tile for my Muzing Mosaic. And I want to make it big enough here, and I will play with the color. I'd like to have it be in NewsMuze purple. So, and also since this is all about New York City, we want to kind of center that. I want to, the name of my Muzing Mosaic is going to be Musing on New York City. And I need to explain what that's all about, the top free things to do in New York. So let me put that subhead on there. Okay, so basically what I've done is grabbed an image, put some text around that image, and I've done that in a word processing program. Because I'm on a Mac, I'm using Pages, and now what I'm trying to do is drag it around here to center it. But you could use Word, you could use any word processing program. Okay, so that's what I want my tile to look like, but this is in Pages and I need to get it onto NewsMuze. So I'm going to grab a screenshot here of that tile. That's what I want it to look like. Now I'm going to go to a website, a cropping website called Cropola, and it's going to let me crop my tile to the right dimensions. I need it to be at a 4:3 aspect ratio. So I choose 4:3. I want it to be big, and then this lets me just arrange it so that it's in the right spot. I'll download that crop, and now I am good to go. All I need to do is drop that into my Muzing Mosaic. And so now I'm totally done. I have an awesome mosaic that showcases the top free things to do in New York City. We're actually going later this month. My sisters and I are taking our elderly parents there. They're big into free things to do. So this is a place that mosaic that I can share with them. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much for watching. One thing left to do. Just one thing left to do. Muzing mosaics are built to be shared.